Jurors have deliberated in the Bill Cosby sex assault trial for more than 40 hours as we await a verdict. Meanwhile, the longtime comedian is using social media to reach out to his fans. Channel 2's Lauren Freeman is live in the newsroom with more on this story. Lauren, so many people paying attention to this.
Oh, for sure, Sarah. Earlier today, Bill Cosby went to Twitter to thank those who have been supporting him throughout this trial. These are some of those tweets. One reading, "Thank you to all of my fans and supporters here in Norristown and worldwide." Cosby's lawyer has asked for the judge to declare a mistrial, but the judge has denied that request. Today, jurors asked for the definition of reasonable doubt and asked for Cosby's deposition testimony. Now, Cosby is accused of drugging and molesting a woman back in 2004. This is the only criminal case stemming from accusations of dozens of women. We will have updates on the verdict on air and online, as well as our KPRC News app.